Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday for me. The market starts to sort of shuffle around a little bit. All right, hey Tom,
Hi, Brian.
let's just share this to start with. Welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed purely as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. There is a full risk disclosure and a little bit about us as live session traders there. So let's go look at charts. Hey, Tom, you've got a couple moving in the right direction for you. There's not a lot of pace though.
No, everything's still kind of slow.
Mm, mm.
I am heading home this weekend, so on
Oh,
day
oh,
I'll be back home.
oh. The other home.
Yes, my other home.
Yeah, okay, cool. Before you move to a new home. Potentially.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, all right, okay.
No, this
If
is
if
this,
if not,
this
you
was
are persistent.
yeah, no, this was a
Mm,
this was a different situation. So this is
yeah,
not
yeah.
my actual home. I'm actually going home.
Yeah, no worries. Fair enough. Welcome, Darren.
Oh, Brian.
Yes. Oh, nothing's really moving at much of a pace.
Oh, except oil, Brian. Oil's made a nice push for me. What
Oh,
for that leg
well,
there?
I haven't looked at that. Oh, finally,
Yeah,
I got nudged out of NJ. NJ has
yeah.
dipped down and stopped me out. So I'm only in two now
Yeah.
out of the five. Rightio, AUD CAD still, doing it slow grind and going a bit sideways at the moment. All right, all these AUDs are a bit. Whoa, ACAD. Oh, so AUD what has happened there? Swiss franc.
I'm in the sell for this.
Yeah. I wonder what happened to the Swiss franc. Obviously, so we don't get that news either. It's like New Zealand dollar. It doesn't sort of show up on TradingView. It's a little bit deficient like that. Anyway, oh, that's okay. Now, it didn't come to the outside of the rail. It's just doing typical Swiss franc, sort of just doing its thing inside. Okay. AD JPY. Yeah, that's where it's come back down, spiked down below the low and sucked back a bit. Yeah, never had a triangle, so that's all cool. Those rules held up, mechanical rules. AUD So I'm going to the Aussie dollar. It's obviously weakening off, except for the CAD, right? So New Zealand strengthened up a bit. Again, it's not in any sort of situation for
I just
looking at
got into the
taking.
sell for this.
Oh, AUD
Hmm.
Okay, right. Um, Fair enough. Okay. So,
That's
uh,
what was that you looked at?
the alley. Oh, was it the alley? Hang on. Yeah, the alley
At the hour.
1 hour,
Okay.
1 hour time frame there. I'm just looking at see what happened. It did break that, and then you're looking at the sell.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, because
But
it's pulled up there and
but you're on those are regular candles. I'm not
yeah,
on that.
yeah. I'll hang on just a minute. One moment. I'll Renko it. There we go. Coming up. And
Go to the 2 hour time frame on your 45 minute.
yeah, hang on a second. I've got to find AUD CHF was, yes.
NZD.
Oh, and NZD, yes. Sorry. Yeah. And you want the 2 hour. This is a 45. Yeah.
Hmm. Go to the two
You
hour.
want you want 2 hour. Okay. Right. Yeah. And where is it? There. Okay. Yeah, you got the short out there. Yeah.
Yeah. So my entry is right underneath that middle candle,
Mm-hmm.
and my stop is at the top.
Okay.
And I'm only expecting it to break either that low candle there or come down and not beat that long candle at the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we'll see. I think it's going to come all the way to the bottom. There's an equal high down there.
Mm. Okay.
There's actually two there, but I don't think it's going to meet the second one.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's what you see. So you using 2 hours now, are you? Not the 45-minute.
Right. I changed that, I think, last week.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good. All right. Now AUD Singapore. Good. Still just sitting in there. You look at, oh no, you don't trade that one, Tom. So still on that one. It's okay. AUD USD. Right. Gosh. All right. It's just doing a pullback here at the moment. I've got a pink on that because I'm looking at it sort of potentially coming out and giving us a red triangle, but it's doing a little of a bit of a pullback here now. What have we
I just
got?
got into the sell for this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm still sitting here to one. Okay. No worries. That's fair enough. CAD CHF. Oh my gosh. There's something. What is that?
I'm still killing this one. Gee, a minute.
Yeah.
Cricket, look at that thing run.
I know. Hang on. Let me just. Tuesday. We're here. 20th of Jan. What are you talking? We've got to get. Come on. Doing its thing. I'll wait for it. Okay. There's obviously some Swiss franc news. Something's going on here. I don't know what it is. Okay. It doesn't matter. It just means that it's selling out really nice for you, Tom.
Yep.
It's good. Oh, what happened then? No, not on that. Not on that. Okay, KJ. Oh, that's good. Doing well. Okay, so it's outside the rail. That's good. Uh, we do have green triangle on it. I didn't take it here because it had a triangle and it disappeared. So it's all right. CHF JPY.
I'm still in this one. CAD
You're in KJ. Well, for the sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Now I'm also in this one for CHF JPY.
For the sell?
So
Okay. I think the Swiss franc is obviously strengthened up for whatever reason. Oh, here we go. Have we got that news now? What is that Swiss news? Did I get there? Okay. Yesterday. Oh, today. So how do you get? Should be something yesterday. That's weird. All right. This week. Here we go. There's nothing there.
Are you looking for CHF news, Brian?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So, oh, here we go. Non-farm payrolls. Oh, it's low. Oh, yeah. Okay, nothing really. Okay. There's a lot of euro, though. Maybe that's... Okay, I don't know. Well, whatever it is, the Swiss franc is strengthening up for some reason. And I can't say that that's a bad thing for me. We'll see. We've got another green triangle here, that's good. So I'm still in this trade at the moment, still in drawdown. So I got in somewhere up here. And you're in the sell, Tom. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And you could be perfectly right. This could be just a little pullback before it starts dropping off again. Rightio. Euros. Euro AUD. Whoa. Yes, that Euro news.
Yeah, I'm in this for the buy now.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't come to the outside, so I think Darren and I are still just sort of sitting.
Well, that took me out at break even, that one. That was
Oh, right, yeah, because you moved
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, which is all right. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a 3/4 out of it though, Darren.
Yeah. I
And
did.
so in your old rules, you'd still be sitting in that while it's darting
Yeah,
back
I
up
would.
again.
Yeah, I would.
So you've now made a profit out of it, maybe not as much as you might have, but you've saved yourself from potentially going back to your stop loss.
Yeah. It was never very convincing, this one, when you look at it. It just
Yeah.
just meandered sideways, really. Bit of a push down
And this sort of grab back up here.
yeah.
Okay, well that's good. That's a positive outcome with these sort of new rules that you adopted. Okay. Euro CAD. Wow, the euros really have
I'm still up
is
on
it?
this one.
Yeah, you'd be on the buy. Maybe it's all these European countries getting together and getting ready to take on Russia or something. I don't know. They're only putting peacekeeping into the country. I don't know how that's going to work.
Oh, well, they were talking today. Do you mean peacekeeping or peace enforcing? So, subtle difference, Brian. Subtle difference.
Yeah,
Peace
yeah.
enforcing.
Yeah.
I'm going to peace enforce this missile up your ass. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Provided they get the US backing.
Yeah, well, this is only when Ukraine gives away its minerals to pay for US helping it out.
Oh, well, Europe's cottoned onto that now. They're asking for a piece of the action in terms of the minerals now.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. That's sort of filtered out into the news today over here.
Right.
They're all
Okay.
taking a leaf out of the the orange Jesus is
Well, I don't know
label.
whether that's a bad thing. I mean, altruistically they could, but Ukraine does need to sort of maybe give something. I mean, it's like, how do they go like, oh yeah, everybody just give us help and give us staff, and we don't have to give you anything? It's like, yeah, I think there's a certain
Well, even apparently Putin's even offered the US some access to their minerals as well. Everybody, they're all jumping in now.
what
Yeah,
Putin
access.
from the Ukraine bit that he's taken over, you mean?
Well, yeah, that yeah, good point. That's what it might be. Yeah, yeah. In fact, I think that's where some of the best stuff is. I believe, isn't it? That's I'm sure. I think you're right there. Did read that.
Anyway, all right. Well, I don't know whether this euro strength is that's where it's sort of really pushing firmly. So, all right, let's see with this one, Euro CHF. Nah, yeah. So it's obviously the Swiss franc is much stronger than, even though Switzerland's in in the eurozone, it operates as one separate little thing. Yeah. And I don't think Switzerland's sending anything anything to Ukraine. Yeah, I don't know. Was Starmer in this sort of? I didn't see him in the European confab.
Oh,
Was he?
well, by video conference he joined it. I believe.
Ah, right. Okay. I thought he might have been frozen out the side or something, but
But he's heading off to see Trump, isn't he, tomorrow?
oh, and Macron's already be. Is he going to join up with Macron? Is he, and
I don't know. I think
have a bit of
they
have a bit of a piss up
discussed
together?
tactics beforehand, and then well, we'll see.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, they're
well,
coming. They're all coming to Trump at this point to gauge him what he's going to do.
yeah.
As far as taking all the minerals and stuff from the Ukrainians,
Hmm.
the French just came out. Macron just said yesterday that they've already made deals with the French for minerals and stuff, and grants and guarantees and all that kind of shit. So
Yeah.
it's not just Trump, and it's not just Europe. It's France and who's the other one? Denmark is already talking to him.
Hmm.
Well, it sounds like
Hmm.
Trump's just a bit late to the party then, by the
That's
sounds of
exactly what
things.
it is. He's actually getting their ideas.
Mm.
Sounds
Mm.
like you're almost feeling sympathetic towards Trump now, Tom. What's going on here? Feeling sorry for him that he's been missing out.
No, I'm saying he's so stupid. He's 10 steps behind everybody else.
He's behind the curve. That's what you mean. Yeah, yeah, I get you now.
He's playing catch up at this point, and we know
Yeah.
how he is with ketchup when he gets upset.
Yeah, it's a little bit like a surfing analogy. He's actually in the quiet bit behind the wave,
Yeah, exactly.
waiting for hopefully to get the next one while everyone else is powering off to the beach. Oh, yes. No, well, that's just yeah. Anyway, that's the craziness. So here's Euro to the Swiss franc. Okay. Euro GBP, it's pulling back up too. We'll see. I mean, whether it does that little pull back up and then we drop back off again to get to the outside of the rail. But there are so many, Darren, that normally, and maybe we're just early at the moment thing, but to be external to the rails like here and here, you know, of course we haven't seen what it's going to do, but if it even doesn't make the rail and then just pushes itself back up again, like this is just a bit like be like a Swiss franc sort of
Yeah,
set up. Everything sort of like doesn't. It's like it's really frightened. The whole market is quite frightened to push up higher or to push down lower.
yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah.
anyway. Okay, Euro JPY. Yeah, we've got another triangle here. This I got knocked out of. I got into that. It pushed back down, knocked me out. So two trades gone. I now have another green triangle. We still have a red trend bar. There's no long or anything on there. You got caught in this one too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just watching it, see what happens. There is no real strength in it at this point, but we'll see. Euro and NZD, just like the Euro AUD, there's Euro strength in there. I don't know. This has been a real rub since, back late December. Sort of just pushing, but nothing sort of convincing anywhere. Okay, Euro Singapore, it also is pushed up. Look at this. Just when is this back? November, end of November, same sort of thing. Going in a direction, so it's still selling, but yeah. Okay, Euro USD, still in that buy, Tom?
I'm still in it.
You're still in it. Oh yeah, that's right. You are too. Oh, you've got old rules. Did you get the 3/4?
Hybrid. So it started off in the old
Hybrid.
rule, but I applied the 3/4 rule. So I'm still in that
And see whether it makes out the rail. You
Yeah.
notice the rails are starting to push out further.
Well, if I can keep going in the right direction, that's a good thing. So I can get more profit out of it. So
Oh well, we'll see.
bit more
All
volume
right.
going into the market.
Yeah. GBP AUD. Gosh, look at that. Pushing up. Obviously, Aussie dollars weakening off against a lot of these ones now. That's quite a strong push. I mean, I think we'll obviously get some sort of a bit of pullback, because it's what near your Tuesday to go into your Wednesday.
I've got stops out of this at break even as well. This was under hybrid rules. So
Yeah.
started off all rules, but kept all the way back, almost stopped me out, and then second attempt,
You got 3/4.
3/4, and then it's come back.
And now it's come back to break it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least now you're not in that trade. It's not anywhere near either side. And you've made a 3/4 out of it at least.
Yeah.
It's got to be a plus, hasn't it?
Yeah. And I'm looking at it now. We've got a long on it now. So this looks like it's going to continue up. So
It could have stopped you out potentially.
yeah, it would have carried on, eventually stopped me out. Yeah. Potentially.
With nothing. And you would have been in it since, start of January, and then have a loss. So anyway, okay. GBP CAD. Whoa. Here we go. This sounds just looking like okay, I'm going to put a pink one on here. We didn't get any red triangle there, but it's down and pushing back up again. If we can get it outside the rail and get a red triangle on it, that would be potentially a good one. This is the one where you got 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades.
Yeah.
And then it came to 3/4.
But it wasn't far enough outside the rail on the last one.
No, and it came back and did break even on you.
Yeah.
But this is to look at it, this is actually quite unusual to have so many positive days of buy candle. There's no pullbacks in here yet.
No.
Even if you have sell, there's a pullback. Sell. Now this is just buying without any. It's buying with gay abandon, mate. It's just going like what? Yeah. Even here, look, push up, and there's a pullback there before it pushes up. Nothing yet. All right. Well, might just before the rail, it might just pull back a bit, but we'll see. All right, GBP and CHF. Obviously, that Swiss franc has got some strength because it's pulled back off their typical Swiss franc stuff. Okay, GJ. I'm still in this. The skin of the teeth.
So am I. Yeah.
Yeah, down here. So had green triangle pushed up to the middle, got a short pull back. It doesn't look real hopeful though, does it, Darren? Look at this. It's like positive, negative on this one candle. It was just positive a little minute ago, and now it's back onto the sell
No,
bit.
still 200 pips clear of, well, almost 200 pips
Yeah, clear
above
stop loss.
stop loss at the moment. So bit of
Mm.
room yet.
I'm still in this for
Oh,
the short.
yeah, I know you are, Tom, you rebel. No, sorry, you profit maker. Yeah, it's good. Anyway,
It's downtrending.
yeah. No, I totally agree with you. I totally agree. Um, I'm just looking at this to to push back up when it did. Anyway, it just see one of the things, Tom, with the strategy that Darren and I'm sort of doing slightly different to that, but similar view. It's like, this could have quite easily turned at this point and gone back up and even not broke the previous high and pull back down. But it didn't even make that. So
No, I understand that. I'm just saying if you're downtrending,
mm,
why are you counter trading? Why are you not trading in the direction of the trend?
yeah, because the opportunity to take a buy back up could have been positive to 3/4, and it just hasn't worked out, which is okay. I understand what you're saying though too, because that's what I'm looking at. GN, maybe that needs to incorporate into the strategy as well. Okay, GN, British pound pushing up the last couple of days. That's good. We'll just see. There's probably be a pullback because it's Tuesday, your Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll see how that goes. GBP Singapore. Oh, you are liking this, aren't you, Darren? It's still
Yeah,
pushing up for you.
yeah, yeah.
It's making the right. It's not really moving much from that
No,
halfway line, Tom. We got high to low, and it's still sort of sitting here.
Yeah, I'm in the sell.
But look, it did come up to the 50%. It went back down to that 25, and now it's back up at the 50. So, um, what did you say, Tom? Sorry.
I'm waiting for this to get into the sell. It's got to trigger me in.
Okay, all right. No, and Darren's hoping it'll push further. It still hasn't made that 3/4, has it?
no.
All right, GU, did it? Did it? No, it hasn't quite yet. Oh God.
Tried it again. Let's try again.
Yeah, it's still got a green trend bar, so that's at least positive. Maybe it'll make that outside the row. It's just gotta come up and break that high, doesn't it? It's not far off.
Yeah, but the rails are widening. It's just the target's so
It's trying to grab
the
grab off as it pulls away.
US gotta go sort of bailed out uh on. He just carried on going in the end.
Yeah. No.
So
Okay.
I'm not bailing out early.
No. You just hang on. That's all right. Fair enough too. NZD CAD, because that was a hybrid one. NCAD. Whoa. Yeah. Just sideways here. We'll see what happens. We've got a doji coming in for this last 24 hours. It tried to push down, tried to push up a bit, but
I'm in this for the
I-
buy.
are you? I think it'll sell a bit actually. Anyway, you might buy. The CAD's still. Oh, what's this news? Oh yeah, GDP. Okay. Well, hmm. You notice Canada in there, Darren. Canada's sitting in there with the Europeans. That was very interesting. Oh, Darren's busy at the moment. Okay. Yeah. So 98, NZD, CHF. Yeah, okay, so obviously the Swiss franc has got some strength out. You can see that then is pushed down significantly last 24 hours. And NJ is the one that has knocked me out. So I
on
did
this
have a
one
green.
too.
Yeah, you're in the cell. I did have a green triangle there. It's pushed up. It come back. It's taken me out. So I'm just gonna put that there. And it's just interesting to observe that you can have triangle. You can have, it do like here and then it disappear because UJ did the same thing. So from a mechanical perspective, you make a decision. It did spike down. I mean, quite easily it could get ready and just push itself back up again. Anyway, and you, oh, no, that's coming off now. Not quite at the rail. We'll just see if that's pullback. See if this Tuesday, Wednesday, we get another push back up again. It's still on an uptrend. So, rightio, Singapore, Japanese yen. It's one I got knocked out of as well. We got that green triangle stayed there, pushed up, give me another green triangle, right? Yeah. So we'll see what happens here. You're in this. Oh, you don't trade that one. That's right. UCAD. Oh, right.
I'm in this one for the buy.
Yeah. Yeah. In actual fact, for me, I should be in the buy on this as well. Let me have a look. Because I don't know if I didn't see it yesterday or UCAD. There. Doing its little pullback at the moment. That's okay. Yeah, okay. So what I'll do is I'll double buy that one. There's two. I'll put in the TPs and the stop loss later. Actually, I should put the stop losses in, shouldn't I? So where will they be? That one. What a difference is it? I'll just put it there. 141615. And we'll do the other one as well. Okay. Yeah, you can. So now I'm in that for a buy at the moment. All right, USD CHF, that would be all. Yeah. So now that's good.
Yeah.
That's another good one for me.
Yeah. You
I'm
sell it?
still in this, but it would have been a double loss under the new rules, this one. But I'm now still in it.
What do you mean a double loss? Oh yeah, because of that spike up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And because the short was so late, I mean, look where the short was.
Yeah. Yeah, down in here.
Yeah, I'd have been smashed well and truly taken out there on that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, survived under the old rules.
Yeah.
Not a good pair to trade, this one.
No, it's
Sometimes
not, is it?
but it just every trade
Yeah.
seems a bit of a struggle, to
At the moment, yeah. Under the the trading strategy. Okay, UJ. This is where this had a green triangle and then it's,
yeah,
it disappeared, rails, and then it pushed back down. Now it's given another green because it's outside. But we'll see.
I'm still in the sell for this.
Yeah, you'd be in the cell. And it could be, further it goes. So
yeah. If
I'm
it's
not
breaking that low to the left there now, it's going to carry on, isn't it? I think potentially.
potentially, yeah.
Yeah, carry on all the way down to
Down to the south.
yeah.
Hmm, we'll see. USD and Singapore. This has come out. We've got a green triangle. It's still got a red trend bar though over the whole. So see what happens with that. And then gold. Woo!
Sell off today.
Yeah, that's a bit of a pullback, isn't it?
Is that just a case of such a long
Yeah, yeah.
run that it had to happen, or
Well, you've got this
journey?
engulfing here and then push back up and engulfing back down again.
Maybe sign that it's going to turn.
Well, yeah, at some point. I mean, it'd probably be, it just takes a couple of days for them to get diggers over into Ukraine,
Yeah.
to be digging up
Yeah.
the critical minerals, whatever the hell that is. Yeah, interesting. So Ukraine has got a whole lot of crater holes. Now they're going to have a whole lot of mining holes.
Yeah.
Mm. Imagine the people who used to live yeah, and now they'll go like, okay, well, you still can't live there. We're going to take it over because the US is going to dig holes.
Yeah.
Oh, crazies. All right. Oh, and silver sell-off. Wow. Never made the outside of the rail. Oh, yeah. And Bitcoin's dropped back to 87. Whoa. There's some big moves there. Wow. Oh, there'll be a few Bitcoin people shitting their decks.
That's a
Uh,
big move, big push that is, isn't it?
yeah.
24 hours.
Yeah, to go and break that pretty quick. But, we're going to get a pullback on it, of course. So, unless something else happens. Whoa, down to 68.
What's that?
Oil.
Yeah. Still going, still going.
Darren's in a good one on this one. You've got the 3/4 and you're still moving towards the full
But under
range.
the full new rules with two
Mm.
positions, and yeah, I'd be looking at sort of 6% on this now.
Wow.
Well, that's where we'd be headed towards,
Mm.
which would
Well,
be
you
pretty
have
nice.
examples like we were back at we were back at GBP something. No, whatever USD CHF. You were saying that
Yeah,
you would have out of the new rules you would have lost
yeah,
two trades, and now
yeah,
the new rules on this or old rules, it doesn't matter. I mean, you would only have one trade. You wouldn't have yeah. But yeah, I suppose drill baby drill is yeah. So it looks like the US is drilling holes all over the joint.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why they renamed it Gulf of America.
Oh yeah. They're gonna
Yeah.
drill down there now.
Yeah, because now they're going to call it the Gulf of America. They can drill there because before Biden left, he made it illegal for the U.S. to drill in the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah. Hey, just change the rules to suit yourself.
Uh-huh.
And the thing is, apparently cocoa I saw last night, it's dropped off dramatically. Look at that. Bring on the chocolate.
How's how is what is that called? Not
Ethereum?
Ethereum. It's the other one. XRP.
XRP is, oh, you got some of that too. Yeah, it's pulled off as well. I think all of those cryptos have taken a bit of a hit at the moment. XRP has, and Ethereum would have as well. Yeah.
Yeah, except XRP just got upgraded to an actual um,
To a real fake coin.
to a commodity.
Oh,
Yeah, they became a commodity because they have a setup server that apparently all these big corporations are switching to.
yeah.
And China also recognized it.
Oh,
And so they made it, they just got their approval to become a commodity. So I'm looking at this to bottom out here, and then I'm going to buy some
okay.
for the buy back up.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because it's been, you look historically, it's just been sort of crawling along and then off it went. And now it's sort of creating quite big, tails on it. And yeah, okay. So it's going to be a commodity, what, like cocoa, like oil or gas, or is that what you're
Yes,
saying?
yes.
Okay. But
I
it's
mean,
not real.
it's in the tech world, but
I was
it's
going to
the
say,
same
but
thing.
it's not real. It's not,
No, it is real because they have uh, um, data
ac-
center set up.
yeah, but there's no actual, you can't actually hold an actual coin.
No, it's not the actual coin they're using. That's just the
That's what I mean.
representation.
I
There's
know, that's what I'm
actual,
saying.
yeah, there's businesses behind it. There's employees. There's all sorts
Okay.
of stuff.
Well, yeah, that's fair enough. I hadn't heard that. So thanks for the update. Hmm. All right then. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for Bitcoin certainly has taken a big chunk down. So all right. And gold has come off. So there's a few things moving around. We'll see what that UCAD does. But yeah, and then the other JPYs. Rightio then, gentlemen. We will see how the Tuesday into Wednesday drops and what it does. Anyway. So nothing else.
Yep, that's good.
The geopolitics is doing its thing.
Yep.
There's not much news this week either, is there, to do a
No.
lot, really?
No,
So
it's the end. It's sort of well, this is the 26th, so it'll be non-farm payroll next week because there's
yeah,
only 28 days in this month in this part of the world. I don't know about the rest, but we've only got 28 days in this month, so
well, same here. I think
and no leap year.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm already on the 26th, so it'll be, oh yeah, we'll change over. Is it 26, 7/28 on Friday? Yeah, so Saturday will be the first. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, they'll end out the month, February, and then we'll potentially see some move around. Or not, with all the uncertainty. It could be 4 years of this, Darren.
Yeah.
Well, it certainly will be 4, maybe more. Depends when the king
Yeah,
dies
yeah,
or is given his
yeah.
marching orders,
Yeah, they've
Mm.
already got it set up to where they're trying to get him elected for the third time.
Yeah, but it needs doesn't it need a 2/3 majority.
Oh, he
So
won't worry about that. He'll just manufacture that.
Yeah, we've got like a
no, but it's a changing constitution. I think it'd be all right there, Tom. Unless the Republicans do amazingly well in the midterms and increase the majority in Congress, get to that 2/3, God help us all then.
Yeah, I think that MAGA, they'll just manipulate it however what they want to get whatever they want. I mean,
yeah, he's already talking about suspending the Constitution and getting rid of the Senate or the House, one or the other, and combining the governments into one smaller government under him.
under him, yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
So
While he is,
if he gets rid of the House and moves everything into Congress and gets all the Congress people on his side to push out the other side, saying we don't need so many congressmen, we'll split up the states 51. All 51 of my people will now represent one state.
51
Yeah,
with Canada.
that's what he's saying. 51. He's planning on taking Canada.
So
Hey, you
anyway,
know what? I know you guys think I'm crazy, but I'm
we
telling you, I know
know.
how stupid Americans think. And this dude is like the epitome of dumb. So he's going to point and go, that's mine. Oh, now I want to build Atlantic City in Gaza. Oh, well, while we're in Ukraine, we're going to make a giant hotel service there under the Trump name. And he's going to just start doing all this shit. And I'm telling you, he's going to try and take Canada
Greenland, don't forget Greenland.
and Panama. Panama is very important to Putin.
Yeah.
They can holiday together in the Panama, couldn't they?
Under the water, preferably.
All three of them, Musk and
Yeah,
Putin.
take the entire MAGA population. Yeah.
I wonder what Panama would have to say about it. But anyway,
I see some of Elon's ex-partners are been spouting off, haven't they, on Twitter? Something.
oh, what's been
Well,
happening,
he's
Darren?
got kids with all these different women, hasn't he? I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
realize that. Got about 13 now.
4 or 5 women and like 13 kids or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah. And a couple of them aren't very happy. He's neglecting them. So they've just put it out there on Twitter. Well, he's turned Twitter into this free for all. People to put stuff out there. So
Amazed he wouldn't
let
just
him have it.
close their accounts down and
Yeah.
ban them.
Free speech, he says, free speech.
No, well, that ain't going to happen. As long as you're free speech and not having a go at him, and he's allowed to have a go at anyone else. Well, yeah,
And
gentlemen.
he's absolutely thin-skinned.
Oh, no, he's maniac. All right, then. I think until tomorrow, let's see what happens in the market, and we'll just keep cruising along. All right.
Yep.
No worries.
Take
Till
care,
tomorrow.
guys.